Are you tired of trying endless diets that never seem to work? What if I told you that fat loss isn't just about eating less, but about eating smarter? By choosing the right foods, you can accelerate fat burning, boost your metabolism, and stay full longer without feeling deprived. In this video, you'll discover 10 incredible foods scientifically proven to help your body burn fat faster. Number 1. Avocados. Avocados are more than just a trendy superfood. They're a fat loss powerhouse. Packed with monounsaturated fats, they improve fat metabolism, reduce belly fat, and provide long-lasting energy, while their high fiber content slows digestion and keeps you full for hours. Avocados are also rich in potassium, which balances electrolytes and supports muscle function. You can enjoy them by adding slices to salads, spreading on whole grain toast, or blending into smoothies. And for maximum benefits, it's best to pair avocado with protein like eggs or chicken, while keeping portions to half or 1 avocado per meal to enjoy the benefits without overdoing calories. Incorporating avocados regularly into your diet can help stabilize blood sugar, reduce cravings, and support consistent fat loss results over time. Number 2. Salmon. Fatty fish like salmon is a top choice for fat loss because it's loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to burn fat more effectively. Salmon is also a rich source of high-quality protein, which builds lean muscle, boosting your metabolism even while at rest, and contains vitamin D to support weight management and immunity. Enjoy salmon grilled, baked, or steamed with herbs and a side of vegetables, and for enhanced fat burning effects, include salmon 2 to 3 times per week and pair it with fiber-rich foods like broccoli or leafy greens. This combination not only aids digestion, but also helps stabilize blood sugar and prolong satiety, making it easier to avoid overeating. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more powerful fat loss tips. Number 3. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most complete protein sources available, containing all essential amino acids that keep you full and help maintain lean muscle, which boosts your metabolism. They also provide choline, supporting liver health and fat metabolism, and healthy fats for sustained energy. Eggs are incredibly versatile. You can boil, poach, scramble, or make an omelet with vegetables like spinach and tomatoes. And for maximum benefits, keep the yolks because they contain most of the nutrients and fats that help your body burn fat efficiently. Including eggs regularly in your meals can improve satiety, reduce snacking on empty calories, and support consistent energy levels throughout the day. Number 4. Chili peppers. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, a natural compound that temporarily increases metabolism by boosting thermogenesis and calorie burning, while also helping curb appetite. You can add chili flakes to sauces, sprinkle on eggs or grilled meats, or mix into salads. And if you're sensitive to spice, start with small amounts and gradually increase for maximum fat-burning benefits while pairing chili with protein-rich meals to enhance appetite control. Regularly incorporating chili peppers into your meals can subtly increase daily calorie expenditure and help maintain consistent fat loss progress over time. Number 5. Broccoli. Broccoli is a low-calorie, fiber-rich cruciferous vegetable that supports fat loss by regulating blood sugar, improving digestion, and reducing bloating. Its high vitamin C content can enhance fat oxidation, and sulforaphane provides anti-inflammatory benefits that help your metabolism work more efficiently. You can steam, roast, or stir-fry broccoli with olive oil and garlic, and for the best results, pair it with protein like chicken or fish, and eat generously since it's nutrient-dense yet very low in calories. Including broccoli in multiple meals per week can improve satiety, reduce cravings, and provide your body with essential nutrients that support overall health while promoting fat loss. Number 6. Almonds. Almonds are an excellent snack for fat loss because they are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which together help curb hunger and keep your energy stable throughout the day. They are rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays a critical role in regulating blood sugar and insulin sensitivity, both of which are crucial for effective fat burning. Enjoy almonds raw or lightly roasted as a quick snack, or sprinkle them over yogurt, oatmeal, or salads to add a satisfying crunch while supporting fat loss. Pairing almonds with a source of protein, such as a boiled egg or Greek yogurt, extends satiety and reduces the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. Even though almonds are healthy, keeping your portion to about a handful ensures you enjoy the benefits without consuming excess calories, making them a perfect addition to a fat loss plan. Number 7. Lemon water. Lemon water is a simple, low-calorie drink that can help accelerate fat loss by promoting hydration, digestion, and detoxification. The high vitamin C content in lemons enhances fat metabolism while supporting a healthy immune system. Drinking lemon water regularly can also help reduce cortisol, the stress hormone that contributes to belly fat, and improve overall metabolic function. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water to gently kickstart digestion, or add slices of lemon to cold water throughout the day to make hydration more enjoyable. Adding a pinch of cayenne pepper or a slice of fresh ginger to lemon water can further enhance metabolism and provide an additional fat-burning effect. Making lemon water a consistent habit can replace sugary drinks, reduce calorie intake, and help your body process fat more efficiently over time. Number 8. Green tea. Green tea is one of the most effective beverages for fat loss due to its high concentration of catechins, especially EGCG, which increases fat oxidation and calorie burning. Consuming green tea consistently can support weight loss by enhancing metabolism, particularly when paired with regular exercise, and may also help reduce fat stored around the abdominal area. You can drink 2 to 3 cups per day, either hot or iced without sugar to maximize benefits, and pairing it with a balanced breakfast can kickstart your metabolism for the day. Green tea also contains a modest amount of caffeine, which can improve focus and energy, helping you stay active and burn more calories naturally. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine can be a simple yet powerful habit for long-term fat loss success. Number 9. Apples. Apples are low in calories, but high in fiber and water content, making them incredibly filling and helping to naturally reduce appetite. They also contain polyphenols, which support fat metabolism and gut health, both of which are important for effective weight loss. Apples can be eaten raw as a snack, sliced into oatmeal, or paired with nut butter for a satisfying treat. Choosing apples over sugary snacks not only reduces calorie intake, but also provides essential nutrients and antioxidants. To maximize benefits, eat the skin as well, since it contains most of the fiber and nutrients, helping you feel full longer and maintain energy levels throughout the day. Number 10. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a nutrient-dense, complex carbohydrate that provides long-lasting energy without spiking blood sugar, making them ideal for fat loss diets. They are rich in fiber, beta-carotene, and antioxidants, all of which support metabolism and overall health. You can bake, steam, or boil sweet potatoes, add them to salads, or serve them as a healthy side dish with lean protein. Eating sweet potatoes instead of refined carbs like white rice or bread can improve digestion, maintain energy levels, and keep you full for longer periods. Including sweet potatoes regularly in meals can provide steady energy, enhance satiety, and support long-term fat loss goals. There you have it, 10 incredible fat-burning foods that can help you lose weight naturally and effectively. Incorporate these consistently into your meals. Pair them with regular exercise, proper sleep, and hydration, and you'll see better results without extreme dieting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful, and comment below which of these foods you already eat or plan to add to your meals. Your body will thank you for choosing foods that work with you, not against you.